to hear. Well done on another fabulous week in year 3. You've all been absolutely amazing, so well done for that. This video is all about our maths for next week and what we will be learning. So it's a little taster to help you in your learning for next week, okay? So to start with, over this week, we are looking at number lines and estimating numbers to 1,000 using number lines. But to begin with, I would just like you to have a look at this number line. Now it starts at 0 and it ends at 100, okay? To begin with, I would just like you to have a think about, what do you think this line here, what do you think it represents? Okay, so I can see that it's halfway between 0 and 100. Okay, so pause the video now, and if you have a piece of paper, perhaps you could write down, what does this line here represent? It's halfway between 0 and 100. Okay, so pause the video now. Okay, so hopefully you had this answer, 50. Okay, so we know that 50 is halfway between 0 and 100. And that means that each of the lines on the number line represent 10. So let's count up in tens from 0. Ready? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, now your next job is to find 20 on the number line. So we've just said it. Where would 20 be on the number line? Pause the video and find 20 on the number line. Okay, so yeah, it is here. Okay, because we know that 0 is here, 10's here, 20 must be here. Okay, now, a bit trickier this week because we are now moving on to number lines to 1,000. Okay, so this one starts at 0 and it finishes at 1,000. So again, I would like to think about which number would be right in the middle. Okay, so where this line is, it's halfway between 0 and 1,000. What does this line represent? So pause the video now to have a think about which number this line represents. Okay, so it is 500, okay, because we know, and because of our practice, we've been practicing this in class, we've been counting in hundreds to 1,000, we know that 500 is halfway between 0 and 1,000. Now, could you perhaps have a go at working out what this line on the number line represents? What does this marker represent? Okay, pause the video if you need to. So this one represents 100 because we know that each marker is now representing 100. So we know it's 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. I'm going to stop there. Can you find 900 on the number line? Point to 900 on the number line. Okay. Yep, it's over here. Well done. So 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1,000. Lastly, this time it's going to get a bit trickier. We know that 0 is here, 500 is halfway between, and 1,000 is here. Where would 150 be on this number line? So pause the video now. Where would 150 be on this number line? Okay, so we know that 100 is here, and we know that 200 is here, and 150 should be halfway between 100 and 200, okay? So it's right here, halfway between. So well done for spotting that. 100's here, 200's here, 150 is right in the middle. Okay, so this week we will be doing lots of work with number lines and estimating where numbers are on the number line using our knowledge of numbers from 0 to 1,000. Okay, so well done for watching, and I hope you all have had a lovely weekend, and see you on Monday morning. Bye.